Hello family, this is Times with the Narcissist Explained. I just wanted to give y'all a quick message. This is a Narc and spiritual vlog talk number 4. I just wanted to give y'all 4 tips on rebuilding your life after narcissistic abuse. This will be a short video. I'm at the park right now. I'll show y'all around. I hope it's clear for you guys. But yes, this is where we're at. Walking through the trees and stuff. But listen, I'm gonna give y'all 4 tips on how to rebuild your life after narcissistic abuse. And this is for people who just got out of it or still struggling after it. Step 1 is change your diet. The energy is changing, the universe is changing things around. There's a shift going on, and part of that shift is changing your diet. No more McDonald's, no more burgers, hamburgers, French fries, cheeseburgers, hot dogs, fast food. Fast food is starting to phase out. A lot of people are becoming more holistic because they're now realizing what this system does to the human body with the food, right? It's to the point where you have to be careful of certain fruits that you eat because you got to deal with GMO products as well. So that's another tactic that I would say: change your diet and eat clean. Sometimes go on a meat fast, go on a meat fast for like a week and see how you feel afterwards. Or what I've been doing, I've been staying away from chicken. I'm almost 2 weeks in, no chicken. It's something about chicken, man. The chicken out here just does something to you, man. I know what I'm talking about. All right. And the second step is exercise. Go to the gym. Learn martial arts. Go to the park and work out. Get yourself some sunlight. Put your feet in the grass and ground. Get a good sweat in, right? Even if you just walking they say walking is better than running, because when you're running, you're generating higher forces of electrical current to your brain. So if you go for a good long walk, you should be fine. That's another way of taking care of your health. Exercise when you can. Exercise the best way you can, right? All right. And the third one is meditation and prayer. Do your breathing exercises. Pray to the Most High. Talk to the Most High. You got to understand, you're a child of the Most High. You are a child of the Creator. You have a Father that implanted His divine source, or its divine source, within you. All right? Understand how powerful you are, and understand you can overcome any obstacle or struggle that's going on. All you have to do is understand your mindset and remember who you are. And meditation helps with that. Prayer helps with that. Somebody told me that the more you pray, the more you meditate, you're increasing your spiritual protection, right? That fiery force field around your soul increases, and the enemy can't just access your mind and throw negative seeds at you like that, right? So prayer, meditation, even if you got to cross your legs and sit down and go into Zen mode for a little while, you'll be surprised how powerful that is. I'm on it now. Still on the trail, y'all. And last but not least, this is the 4th tip I will give you all to rebuild after narcissistic abuse. Live an immoral free lifestyle. Don't get involved with any kind of wickedness. And see how much you align with the Creator, and see how fast things manifest better for you when you're not into some messy gossip or messy stuff. See, the problem is the world operates off of a negative frequency, but as chosen ones, you have to counteract it with a positive frequency by doing positive acts, positive works, doing good service to humanity. All right? So live an immoral free lifestyle. Get into the business of working to help better others. And as I said before, there is a shift happening. There is a big shift happening. The last shall be first and the first shall be last. We see it. You know, I predict in the future that we won't have to be slaves to the dollar anymore, because the dollar will not be needed. There will be no currency, because everybody can have, and everything is plentiful. And for somebody or some system to try to gatekeep who can get what, when they can get what, people are starting to wake up from that, and they're not going to tolerate that. And that's what they're afraid of. If those people wake up, we're done. We got to keep them asleep. You know, so this is their mindset, y'all. But understand, continue on your path, follow these 4 steps, and I promise you, your life will change. Your life will change. That's it. That's all there is to it. Eat clean, exercise, meditate and pray, and live a clean lifestyle. That's all you have to do. And this is advice given to me from Divine, and I just wanted to tell you guys that. So I hope y'all enjoyed the message. And like I said, it was just a short video. And revisit this video if you want to apply this into your life, because that's what I'm doing. All right, I love y'all.